Her body was found off a rural road in Smyrna nearly 27 years ago. Now police in Murfreesboro are reaching out for information to try to heat up the city's longest running cold case. News Channel 5's Jonquil Newland spoke with the detective who's determined to find Pam Miracle's killer.
These were some photographs that were taken at the residence, along with the newspaper article.
Sergeant Tommy Massey settles in with not one, but two case files on the disappearance and murder of Pam Miracle.
They took photographs of the contents of the trunk of the vehicle.
Her story begins the night she went missing 26 years ago, but police weren't notified until weeks later.
She had been missing approximately 2 weeks before she was ever notified, the police were ever notified that she was a missing person, and at the time that was actually done by her employment.
Miracle was a nursing tech at Boulevard Terrace. She also lived with her boyfriend at the time, Clarence Parker.
That was taken in 2014.
Their relationship was violent at times.
As described by her co-workers, it wasn't uncommon for her to come to work with some bruises, black eyes, things of that nature.
Parker's changing accounts as to what happened to Miracle led detectives to consider him a person of interest. But the case went cold for about 10 months until human remains were found off Seven Oaks Boulevard in Smyrna.
Today, new development and subdivisions have drastically changed this landscape, but in 1991, this was nothing but woods. This is also the location where Miracle's remains were found, dumped at the end of what used to be a very rural road.
In 2016, Miracle's skull was taken to the body farm at the University of Tennessee, where it was determined she died by blunt force trauma. Her killer is still out there, and the only person of interest in this case so far, well, he's now living in Oklahoma City.
What does your gut tell you, Sergeant?
I certainly believe he is involved in the case. You know, did he kill her? I can't tell you definitively.
As the years have passed, so has some of Miracle's family. Her parents have since passed away. Her sister, we're told, is in poor health. But Massey is in this for the long run.
To me, it's the ultimate responsibility in law enforcement, because it's been 26 years, and at some point she needs some peace, so does her family.
Jonquil Newland reporting for us. One small piece of information could break this case. If you know or remember anything that might help investigators, contact Murfreesboro Police.